Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And guys, I have a great deal for you. A whole bunch of great deals. It's National Donut Day. Go treat yourself, guys. Go out and get all those free donuts. I have some offers, and the first one I'm going to start with is the best one, which is at Krispy Kreme. I wish I could take advantage of it, but we don't have a Krispy Kreme around here. The closest one is like an hour and a half away. So I just have to dream and just taste the donut through my imagination. But guys, go get your free donut from Krispy Kreme. You don't have to buy anything. Just walk in, tell them you want the offer for National Donut Day. You get a free donut worth $1.49. Woo! Wish we had a Krispy Kreme in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. Now, the second deal you could take advantage of at Krispy Kreme is a BOGO deal. You buy 1 dozen, you get another dozen for free. Guys, if there was a Krispy Kreme around here, you definitely know I'd be walking out of that store with 2 dozen donuts. Matter of fact, I would be getting 2 dozen. I take my mom with me. She'd get 2 dozen. I probably take my goddaughter. She'll get 2 dozen. Guys, go get those deals at Krispy Kreme National Donut Day. Next up is 7-Eleven. Yes, they're taking part in this too. They have a BOGO deal. Is buy 1 donut, get 1 free. You do need to have this 7-Eleven app or the 7 Now app. You have to show that at checkout. You buy 1 donut, you get another donut free. So guys, just make sure that you download that 7-Eleven app or the 7 Now app. And again, it's buy 1, get 1 free. Another choice that you have is by going to Donuts to get a free donut. There's no purchase necessary. All you have to do is stop by Donuts and you get a free cinnamon donut. Guys, that's a free donut with no purchase. Just stop in and get your free cinnamon donut because it's National Donut Day. So I won't be taking advantage of that. So guys, I have given you a lot of different choices to get some free donuts. But the best one for me, because I love their coffee, is Dunkin Donuts. So I saved the best for last. So what you want to do is you want to head over to Dunkin Donuts. What's nice about this offer is you don't need to have the mobile app. You don't need to be a member of the DD Perks or anything like that. If you are a member, you have the mobile app, that's even better because you'll get points for your purchase towards using those points so that you can use them towards future freebies. But you don't need any of that this time. All you need to do is head to Dunkin Donuts, place an order. You must buy a beverage and then you get a free donut with that beverage. Now, what's super nice about this offer is that you can do it multiple times. It's unlimited. Just for every free donut that you want to get, you just have to make sure that you get a beverage along with it. You pay for the beverage and you get a free donut. So I am going to do the offer a few times and I'm going to do it in the same purchase. So it's not like you have to do different purchases each time. So I'll be back to show you my receipt. Yes, guys, it worked. Here's my order from Dunkin Donuts. I ordered 2 small coffees, 1 hazelnut, 1 regular, and 2 donuts. So you get the donuts for free with any small drink. So here is my receipt. You see the coffees were $1.99. The donuts were $1.29. You see they took both of the donuts off. So my total was $4.22. $3.98, 24 cents tax, $4.22. So you see that I only paid for the drinks. So guys, go out and get your free donuts. It is National Donut Day. You have a lot to choose from. Go to a lot of locations. I just chose to go to Dunkin Donuts because that was the closest. But I will be taking advantage of some other ones. Guys, come back. Let me know what donuts you got, what flavor you got. I got glazed because that's my mom's favorite. But the next stop, I think I'm going to get old-fashioned because that's my favorite. But let me know what kind you got. Let me know where you got them from. And as always, until the next time, keep on saving.